Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change the style as well as the color of your Sims the color of the object in your Sims 4 game. So I'm just going to go to the build mode here, and for instance I want to change the color of this oven. I can't just select it, and I don't want to find the oven, so you're just going to select this design tool, select it, and you're going to select your oven or whatever item is that you're trying to change the color to. Then you're just going to select the color and it's going to just change it. It's that simple, honestly. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Do I like this one better? No, I like this one better. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. Also, this changes the artwork as well to some of the objects here. And that is it. If you have and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.